Hello guys, today I am going to show you a very simple tutorial on birthday card. So let us begin. The materials required are pastel sheet, glitter sheet, scissor, pencil and glue. Take a pastel sheet of dimension 30 into 20 centimeters and fold it into half. Now take a quite bigger shape heart and a small card with a picture drawn on it. Here I made it myself. Now keep the heart and card as shown. And trace the heart in this position, that is at some vertical angle. Now we will paste this card here. Cut few different sizes of heart from the glitter sheet. And paste them on the remaining heart portion. Paste them randomly and in any direction. Write some quotes or wishes written on thick strips and paste them at the bottom of the card. A very simple and unique card cover is ready. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.